we're going to Portorož again for one night, and I wanted to pack with you to show you what I'm gonna take with me. And my goal is to pack everything in this small little bag. Because we're leaving today, I of course have to show you the outfit of today, because this is something that I'm taking with me. First I have the gold hoops, and then I have also the extra earring. For the watch I decided to skip it. Then I have the black sparkly top, I have the faux leather skirt, I have nude leggings underneath my black tights, and that's pretty much it for the indoor outfit. But then for tomorrow I want to take something extra with me. I want to keep the top the same, but for my bottoms I was thinking to take my dark wash skinny jeans with me. And then to spice everything up, I also want to take the black belt with a gold buckle, and then the shoes are gonna stay the same and the jacket as well. So this is the only extra thing that I'm taking. Also, because they have a spine there, I'm gonna take one pair of bathing suits with me in case we wanna do something, because yeah, better safe than sorry. Now for my makeup, I wanna stay very minimal, so lipstick that I'm wearing today, then of course my brow gel, a mascara is obviously non-negotiable, and then I also want to take one of the new eye sticks in the color Burnish because it's gonna be very easy to apply. And lastly, I think the concealer is gonna do. This is everything that I fit inside, and I'm not gonna take any brushes because I can just use my fingers. For my beauty products, I have loads of testers that I'm gonna take with me. First I have the 4 body lotions or body butters, then I have a night cream for my face, I have the floss, I have the small toothpaste, and then I also have the SPF 30 day cream for tomorrow morning. For my skincare cabinet, I'm gonna take a couple of things. First is the argan oil, because this one is perfect for traveling. I can use it as a hair oil, makeup remover, and also as a moisturizer. And then from the top shelf, I'm just gonna take my Leo peeling. This is a face wash that I'm also gonna need. As usual, I put everything in plastic baggies for protection. I did the same with my lens solution. Then I also have my electric toothbrush that I'm gonna take with me, and some hair stuff. I have the small Leo hairbrush, the clip, and the elastic. As you can see, everything fits inside perfectly, and I still have a little bit more space, so I'm thinking that I can put makeup from here into this one as well. I think I can put everything in the pocket at the back, and yes, it's a perfect fit. I love it. I quickly grabbed all of my other essentials as well. In here I added the deodorant because obviously this is very essential. Then I have the laptop with a charger and the phone charger. I have my prescription glasses, and all of my clothing is in the bag, as well as the socks and the underwear. And because we're gonna be in a hotel room and I don't really own pajamas, I'm gonna take just this black long sleeve top with me so I can be relaxed in the room. So that's another extra thing that I'm gonna take with me. And now I have to pack all of this inside. I'm so happy everything fits inside. We still have more than enough space, but this is this bag done. And now I'm gonna go through my jacket, accessories, shoes, and also my handbag. Here I am with all of the layers, and because I picked this cute little backpack as a handbag of my choice, I also decided to wear the tan scarf because it just adds a little something to the outfit. As for the jacket, you know me, in the winter months I live in this black puffer coat. It also has a nice big hood at the back, which is gonna keep me super warm, but at the same time it looks very stylish if you ask me. Also, in case you're curious, I have some extra things that I packed in here, such as lip balm and then hand cream. Those I didn't pack separately. Then I also have a nail file in case something happens with my nails. I have the wallet, obviously, keys, my phone, and some extra wipes. So all of the essentials in here as well. And then I have another layer because I forgot to mention we're actually going to the Christmas fair and we're gonna be outside a lot. So it's a very small fair, don't get me wrong, but I still want to have my earmuffs and also gloves with me in case it's just a little bit cooler. But then again, they look super cute and stylish. I love them. And of course I'm gonna take some pictures when we're there, so if you want to see a little bit of Portorož and Christmas fair and some outfits, make sure to follow me on Instagram because that's the platform where I'm gonna share everything. And before I forget, also if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. And now for the final look with all of my bags and layers. This is how I'm going to Portorož today. So we have the little backpack and then the huge bag on my shoulder that it's just a little bit heavy. I know this video is really short, but I still hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for stopping by today, and I will see you next time.